Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, June 8th. I figured I'd do a video because I haven't done one in a while. I just got done picking up feed for the sheep and got everything fed. I'm working on filling the cow water right now. It's raining out, so it makes everything take a little longer. Everything getting wet. So I had to hustle to get feed unloaded so that didn't get all wet. So here's the cows, they're doing good. There's Big Mac, Wellington, and Brandon. The water's full now, so I'll go shut it off and we'll head over by the sheep. Garden's doing good. There's the corn. There's the cucumbers, zucchini, tomatoes, one row of beans, the second row of beans. Here's some peppers and some more corn. Today was the last day of school for the kids. Hunter had pet day, so he brought Anna. Here's the geese with the 7 goslings. They're all growing and doing good. Kittens are all playing. Here's Ned. We did bring the ewes back from my parents to eat grass over here. Pasture was pretty grown. I've been here for almost 2 weeks, or almost a week. No, almost 2 weeks. So they're getting this one knocked down too. So for the time being, I have the ram and the other 2 lambs that I'm keeping with Hunter and Brooklyn's 4-H lambs. So they're all doing good. I think the lambs are in the 100s now, so they should make the fair. And then back here are the 12 ewes. They're all doing good. I'm giving them just a little bit of grain now that they're back home. Yeah, I'm thinking about a week yet here, and then we'll bring them back over there to graze that pasture again. Then they'll have this one grazed down enough that I can put the lambs back out. Yeah, it's a good thing we're getting rain to help the grass grow. That way I don't have to buy any hay for these girls. So yeah, I figured I'd just do an update and video and show you guys how everything's doing. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell so you're notified of all of our upcoming videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching.